Okay, I'm going to go over how to set up a project on the drum machine. While using it, I use the screen, and then I use the mouse and the buttons on the drum machine. It just works easier for me that way. So Shift Exit will set it up so you can use your computer screen. I hit Project on the drum machine, and then Create New Project. And I don't want to copy anything over from the last one, so I'm just going to start fresh, hit Execute. Okay, so setting up the instruments, I'm going to hit Instruments, and the first patch, go down here, we're going to load the patch, go to Load Patch, and then we're going into Patches, Drum Kits. So this is where you have your choice of whatever you want to load up, and also like if I was have the own folder for samples. So if I was going to load a sample, if that's what I wanted at first, then it takes you right to the samples, and then you can pull, whatever you got in your database. So for now, I'm just going to load a drum kit. So you can preview it. If you don't want to load it, take the time to load it in there. If you just want to listen to it, so you can hit the preview and then try out the sounds and see. Okay, so if we like that patch, then we want to import that drum kit, and you want to put it on the first one. So execute. What you want to do when you're building a project, so the first one I have on the first patch, we have the ethnic kit, and you want to, it's good to put like, say like 4 or 5 drum kits that you like, and then, or whatever that you might feel that you would use in a song regularly. Like if you want a bunch of samples, then you can do, 8 of it, the last 8 all samples, and fill up each patch with whatever you want. And you have different projects, to suit whatever, if you want it, like, say you want to work on a song that's, heavily sample based, and you pull up that project that has all your samples on it, or, hip hop with, all your hip hop drum kits, then pull up that one. So you customize it to make it, to suit your needs, to make work go easier in the future. When you're done loading up all your instruments, it will look something like that, like they'd all be filled in. So each one of these corresponds, each patch corresponds to my MIDI channels that I have in Pro Tools. So MIDI channel 1 would correspond to this one right here, the Spidey loop, and it just goes all the way down to 16. So when you're done building your project and you want to save it, you can go to Project, Save Project, and then this is where you name it, and you can use the keyboard here, or you can use the buttons on the drum machine, either one.